Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java assignment operator class number 12. In this video, I will talking about assignment operators. Okay, so you have seen already my previous video. I addition, subtraction, multiple division. So these operator I have already showing on a previous video. So in this tutorial, I will show you those operator. Okay, so I don't talk here, let's move on. So, okay, my dear friends, you see I have already took every statement so that I understand to you easy and my video length is a little bit smaller. Okay, so first I show you AND operator. So what will happen, this AND operator, let's check out. Oh, by the way, I will understand to you first, this is a binary 1010, okay, and 0011, this is a 3 of binary. Okay, so what we are going to print, okay, so x variable we are going to print, and you see that after operation x will be 2 and binary number is here. Okay, let's check out. Okay, as you can see, we are got a 2. Okay, so it was the AND operators operation. Okay, so now let's delete this. And we have a next is OR operator. So what will happen these OR operators? So you can see after operation x will be 11 and the binary is 1011. Okay, well, this is 11. Okay, build success. So it was a work OR operators. Okay, so now let's see the next operators, XOR operators. Okay, so the XOR operators after operation will x of value 9 and binary is 1001. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, that's great, we'll get a 9. Okay, so I think you got XOR operators. What does XOR operators? Now we're going to check our next operators. So the next operator, you see this is a right shift operator. Okay, so the right shift by 3 position. Okay, this is a 3 position and then binary number is here, decimal number, and this is a binary number. Okay, so now after operation x will be 2 and binary is here. Okay, so now let's check out. Well, we got a 2. Okay, now let's check out next operators. This is a left shift operator. Okay, so the left shift operator also 3 position. Okay, now let's print out. Okay, we got a 16 because here also I comment here after operation x will be 16. Okay, and the binary number is 10,000. Okay, so I think you got it, these operators, how to work and when we are use these operators. So if you have any question, you can question me comment section below. I will try to explain about more details in these topics. So have a good day, see you the next video.